In today's video, I'll be putting down my new rug, spray painting a couple of items. Come along, let's get to work. You can see here where Willie is finishing up repainting the decks here. On the top, he's done the white. On the bottom, he's done the black. And then he'll go back and add the decorative accents. But at least the black and white is on. After he does the accent, what he'll do is start on the floor. The upstairs, as I told you before, I will be bringing that premiere to you on the 21st. So it's coming along. When this one finished, I will bring you back for a premiere of it. Okay, as you can see, I have one down. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and connect the second one to this. And I think it's going to work out great. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and open the second one. And the reason I had to get two to put together is because they did not have one big enough for my deck here. So what I had to do was go ahead and order two to cover the area that I wanted to cover. So this is number 2. And as I showed you before, it does have the black side, but I decided I wanted to go ahead and use the white side of it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna unfold it and go ahead and put this one. Okay guys, so I got the table put back over here. I brought back all of my chairs. I did leave them covered, as I told you before. I'm not gonna decorate this area yet, but I did want to get that rug down so I could have it down before I went on vacation. So I did put it down, got everything put back over, and I will come back and do part 3 of the series once everything is done. Still, the panels have to go up. So there's quite a bit to be done, but I can bring my furniture because Willie's gonna be working outside of the banisters. Okay. Now it is reversible, whereas you can turn it over and it'll be black on the other side. But we're gonna start out with the white side. Over here, I was telling you about the banisters that had been painted. Willie did paint these blacks, and the tops, as you can see, were painted white. So the panels will go on these, and once the panel is on them, I will come back and show those too. But I did get the rug down. Now hopefully I have a rug coming for that area there, and what I'm gonna be doing with it, I'm gonna be doing my bar cart. So I did order a rug that was different. It is a striped rug, so I'm hoping it'll look okay. I think it will, but I just wanted to do a different rug on this side. So what I'm doing, Amazon's supposed to deliver it today. Once they deliver it, we'll get that one down. Okay guys, one of the things I'm going to be doing also today is spray painting my candle holder black. I've had them up on the wall a while, so since we refreshed and everything, I thought I would refresh these too. So I'm gonna go on in and paint these black, because over the years what has happened with them, they've actually they fade. And that fresh coat of paint really looks great. So I have two of these. I'm going to wait till this one dries, and then what I'll do, I'll bring the other one over here and we'll get that one spray painted. Okay, so you can see I did go ahead and hang this back up. There are two of these, and I showed you where I was painting them because they did just look a little dull, and this paint here is a more vibrant, shiny black paint. So I did paint these over. So we're getting close to being finished with this. I'm gonna come back and show you the rug that's gonna go over here on the other side, and then we'll be finished until Willie puts on the panels that I was telling you all about. Thanks for watching. This is Friends with Super Channels Premiere Watch Party. If you would, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I'll be seeing you all in my next video.